Hey, discover what's new in the Passware Kit release 2026. Passware team is proud to introduce a decryption solution for AMD Zen-based desktop computers protected with BitLocker TPM, even when a PIN is set. For a target computer with a TPM and a BitLocker PIN, Passware Kit first creates a digest file to recover the PIN. As soon as the BitLocker PIN is recovered, Passware Kit extracts the volume master and recovery keys and decrypts the disk image. There is also a new option to export a list of passwords generated by attack into a text file. Set up the attack and right-click to proceed with the export. Browse for the folder to save the list and attack settings to. Click Next. Now, the passwords list is ready to be compiled as a dictionary or used outside the Passware Kit. Starting from this version, the Passware proprietary small dictionary is added to the set of default built-in dictionaries. The dictionary consists of 550,000 most frequent passwords. The latest version also supports a new cleanup option for the Apply Rules attack. It allows to exclude unsupported commands from rule file and complete the attack setup. The list of supported file types is now extended with the hashes of zip archives created using zip2jan. Moreover, PGP volumes with previously unsupported encryption schemes can be decrypted as well. Finally, the latest Passware Kit accelerates password recovery using Intel Arc GPUs. Run Hardware Benchmark from the Tools menu to assess your Intel's GPU's performance against various file types. You are always welcome to share the results with the Passware team. Discover even more details about the latest release on our blog. We wish you a prosperous and happy New Year. See you in 2026.